And here the traffic in Kota Winangun, exactly in the railway crossing, it has a stop because the train will shortly pass the road. Here it is. All the vehicle, motorists, private car, bus, truck, and so on, all are halted. All are halted here. This is the morning, about 7 o'clock. Exactly, it is a quarter by 7. So here is the rush hour, and the road is so packed with car and other motorists, private car. Well, this is so crowded. The road is packed. Here in front of us, a bar has obstacled this motorist or the other vehicle to pass the road, and every passerby or motorist must halt, has to wait until the train passing through the road. And here behind us, like this, all packets. Yes, and here the student. Wow. Well, today is August 19, 2023, and don't forget, if you cross the railway in the road, must be careful. Don't so hurry. Don't so careless. Wait until the train passing. Here is the oil tanker train. That's all. And here the bar lift up and the motorist go ahead. And here, wow, very full of the, wow. You must be careful, drive careful. Here it is. The road is so crowded, and the traffic is so congested here, like this. Okay, stop this video. Bye bye.